7:36 here, Big 550. Let's check in with Kathy Helbig from the Kathy Helbig Group. She's owner and founder of the Kathy Helbig Group. It's a full team, a complement of realtors, making sure you get the best for your buck. Good morning, Kathy Helbig.
Good morning.
What are we talking about today?
We're going to talk about the outlook for the real estate market. So this fall, next spring, next year in general.
We're booming right now, right?
We are booming right now. And, you know, there was a little bit of uncertainty with the election coming up but for some people that were kind of on the fence, watching rates, not, really being sure where the economy was going. But we just this week alone, the phones are ringing with people just ready to move forward. Rates did take a little bit of a tick up, kind of as a backlash
right.
Overnight. So they're up about a quarter to 0.3% right now, but that's expected.
Well, everyone agrees rates are going up, and if the markets are up, they're taking the money out of the safe haven and the bonds and putting them in the stock, so interest rates are going to go up.
Right. Now they're talking about possibly after the first of the year, maybe them going down for a while because of the global Brexit influence and things like that. So if you are on the fence, there is a great real estate market out there right now. Take advantage of the rates right now while there is some not real clarity whether they're going up or down or will kind of bounce back and forth a little bit. But there's also another report that came out that shows that FSBOs and
for sale by owner.
Yeah, for sale by owner, sorry. And even the discount brokerage in 2016 have been at an all-time low for consumers. So they are really valuing the real estate agent in the transactions. And they expect that to go into next year as well. The last time we had a real estate boom, that's when you saw the birth of tons of the discount brokerage companies come out, and lots of people were for sale by owner, but it didn't really go that direction this year. I think the lack of inventory made a huge difference as far as really needing a professional at your side to be able to manage a lot of those offers and get the deals done. So we're seeing a real strong real estate market for our industry, and we're also already starting to see inventory come out. So usually we have a slowdown in November and December of people thinking they're going to wait till after the first of the year. Like I said, I'm booking out on appointments to get people on the market now.
What's interesting is for sale by owner sounds great, and it looks great, but as somebody who loves to look at houses and you're always looking, you see a for sale by owner sign, you automatically say, never mind, I don't want to deal with it.
Right. And here's the thing that people don't realize. Of course, everyone wants to save money. I'm the same way. When we go to buy something big, you want to be able to cut the cost as much as possible. But what you don't see on for sale by owners and even on the discount brokerages, if you looked at the data of what they actually list for and sell for, the money that you think you're saving on commission is going away. You don't negotiate the same deals when you're doing it yourself. You pass the savings on to the buyer because as a FSBO, they're expecting to be able to buy it under market value because you're not paying a commission. So you go through all that work and expense on your end to come out with the same or less than if you would have hired a professional to do it in the first place. Same with the discount brokerages. A lot of those I'm up against sometimes in interviews to list people's homes, and when I bring the data out and show them what our list price to sale price ratios are compared to some of the people I'm up against, it's shocking because our commission is less than what they're leaving on the table in negotiations with people that don't do this every single day like we do.
Interesting stuff. KathyHelbiggroup.com is the website, 314-276-SOLD. Thanks for coming in. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
You got it. 7-4.